So since the new laws in the UK got everyone cooked, today I'm gonna build a VPN using only AI, and at the end, I'll publish the VPN for free. So for that, I'm gonna go on ChatGPT and ask, give me a prompt that will create a VPN. Then I'm gonna copy that, paste it to lovable.dev, and now I literally don't have to do anything. Just like that, it tells me what it's gonna do and starts coding for me. Okay, it's loading. Okay, and just like that, we got a VPN. Here we can connect to the server, which is gonna give us a new IP. And here we have more countries that we can choose from. So yeah, people from the UK are not that cooked anymore.